This is Justin showing you a quick tutorial of how to use the master bath remote at 7308 Flagship Drive. As you can see, the remote is asleep. In order to wake it up, you just press this light button on the side. It'll show you exactly what page you're on. I want to go ahead and turn on the Roku, so I'm going to press this button right here, the top left dash. It will wake up the TV, wake up the Roku. As you can see at the top, it now says Roku. So I can control and move about as I see fit. I can also press mute, volume up and down. If I need to turn it off, again, you just need to wake up your remote if it's asleep and press the red button from any page and it will turn off your TV. And if you ever end up in a situation where you've woken up your remote, it says Roku, you know that you press the power button, but you still have a blank screen. Just make sure it says Roku at the top and press that green button one more time, and it'll turn everything on for you.